Hey, thanks for tuning in. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this item here, which is going to be 99's Peaches, and this is going to be their 99 proof or 49.5% alcohol by volume. Got it in a one shot. Let's go ahead and try it out. If you don't know about the 99 brands, great mixers. Only a few are great on their own as far as shots, and only a few selected less than that are great for sipping. This is a liqueur. Uh-oh, I dropped the top. I got it. All right. Get this on here because you have to be aesthetic. Get that turned a little for you. Looking good? Good. All right. Peaches, baby. Almost smells like canned peaches. Fruit cocktail. Peachy, baby. Yeah, it's peach. Standalone shot mix. That's all you need to know about this. It's peaches. Peaches feel ripe. Peaches on point. Texture almost feels like peach nectar. This one actually is by far one of my favorites. By far. So here's what you're going to do next time you're at your bottle shop and you see 99 peaches. You're going to do two things. The first time you're going to buy these single little shots, right? Just buy one. They're usually 99 cents, right? Buy one. I want you to try it. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But if it is delicious and you're like, yo, lip smacking, go get the bigger bottle and just keep that when you're ready to make cocktails, right? Mix it in a little something, something. Add it to a little wine. Add it to a little orange juice. Like, I mean, it's really going to accentuate anything to that next level if you love peaches, okay? Just leaving it with you guys with that. Fantastic situation. Wonderful find. Cheers.